It's gonna be delicious. This vlog is off to an excellent and exciting start. This is how Akil starts his day.
Some inspirational quotes.
With the new day comes new strength and new thoughts.
Nice.
I like it. Do you feel strong after your night last night, Akil?
I feel very strong. Great foundation for today.
All right, it's Sunday morning. No, it's probably Sunday noon by now.
Is it?
We are headed to an awesome vegan, vegetarian, it's vegan restaurant. It's called By Chloe. Yeah, we love her. You guys, she's really cute and you're both single. I hope she's
Is
there.
she single?
I don't think so. No. Since it's Mother's Day, we're gonna have your favorite things about your mom. Go.
The fact that she loves me a lot.
My favorite thing about my mom is she has the biggest heart of anyone I know.
I don't know, because that's my favorite thing about my mom is she's got the biggest heart.
I'm saying I have to leave at 5. She'd get up at 4 a.m. to like make me breakfast.
There it is. We just ordered half the menu, Akil.
It's amazing.
We sound like a bunch of stoners.
Amazing.
Legit, right?
Amazing.
Did you love it?
It was totally delicious.
I love
First time.
Love it.
We just left By Chloe and now we're headed to the park. It's so beautiful out. These poor innocent tourists think they're actually gonna win. They're not. They don't have a chance. May we pet your puppy? Alright, Akil. It's time you learn the proper way to do a turnaround
While walking?
while walking in New York City. You don't want to just stop and turn. You have to do it with, that's what not to do. Step 1, you must find a gap of traffic coming towards you. Contralateral. Find a contralateral gap. Spot it, lock in, and then bam. Yeah, turn around. You can't do it in your lane. You have to do it in the opposite lane. So it's like a very graceful,
Can we try
smooth
here?
U-turn.
Can we
This is what not to do. Oh, let's turn around. Oh, I'm so sorry, sir.
That's what
Do you see why that's problematic? That's what not to do. All right, here's how we do it. Ready? We're walking. Oh, quick, we gotta turn around. Turn. Bro said it. That's it. That's how to turn around in New York City.
How'd I do?
I'm proud. That was a pass. That was definitely a pass. I just saved Akil's life.
She did.
Heading back to the 30th Street helipad.
Thank you.
Thanks so much. So this will be on it.
Sweet.
Bedley, monthly Airbnb. Coming to a town near you.
Are you guys going to Boston?
It's the best place! We are going to Teterboro.
Yeah.
Alright, we're on the jet. What kind is it?
A child, Citation 10. Yeah.
It's quite cozy. Headed to
Miami.
Miami. Oh my gosh. Get it together.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed your flight.
It was awesome. Thank you.
We're renting a car.
Enterprise. This is so awesome.
Fourth city of the day.
Yes. Third.
Third.
New York, Teterboro, Miami.
Off to Orlando,
Orlando,
Tampa, Ocala.
I like that you're escorting us out. This is great customer service.
I'm glad to hear that. I'll do my best.
You should definitely get that Mustang. Tell us again about your driving. Wait, it's not that you're a bad driver.
I'm not a bad driver. I'm a great driver. Just had really
Just when you
lot
see
of
the open
speeding
road.
tickets.